larger and harder challenge. What is that challenge? Public perception about chemistry and chemist perception about public. Doesn't match, right? Chemist perception about public is entirely in contrast with public image about chemists. So I have a larger challenge because they don't like chemistry. Yeah, how do you talk to people who don't like you? Then it resulted eventually in another all-time comment from student course evaluation. The more you hate a subject, you tend to like its instructor. So I won the game. Proud. I repeat that comment from the student in course evaluation. More you hate a subject, you tend to like the instructor. So that person had liked me as an instructor, he still doesn't or she doesn't like the subject. The instructor was acceptable, not the subject yet. Other comment is like the standard general, every batch will comment that my interest in organic chemistry has grown after this course, which is very nice because all the efforts I take is to break the barrier and make them think on their own, nudge them into thinking, nudge them into solving questions and enjoy the pleasure chemistry can offer, even something very basic as conformational analysis. And I tell them conformational analysis is so important for survival of life. I show them a very complicated structure. It's a scary structure. It's a scary structure. This is an enzyme structure. This is an enzyme structure. Enzymes are gigantic. It contains several amino acid residues.